DIY MSP marketing, designing your own brochures and one-pagers with Canva. Marketing can be expensive or complicated, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll walk you through how to design a professional MSP marketing brochure or one-pager using Canva. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating your look, these tips will help you stand out. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub for more tech content like this. Why MSP marketing brochures still matter. In a digital-first world, brochures might seem outdated, but they're still powerful. A well-designed MSP marketing brochure gives potential clients a clear, professional snapshot of what you offer. Whether you're sending PDFs via email, handing them out at events, or leaving them behind after meetings, a strong brochure can reinforce your message and build credibility. Designing your own brochures and one-pagers with Canva. Canva is an easy and cost-efficient tool that MSPs can use to create their own marketing materials. There are several ways you can use Canva, but here's our recommended steps for designing brochures and other materials. Start by outlining your key content. Your brochure should include a simple introduction to your MSP, your core services and specializations, key selling points, a clear call to action. Keep the language simple, benefit-driven, and easy to scan. Next, go to Canva and select a template or layout that matches your brand. These can be a baseline for further materials. Now, you can start designing. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easy to use even for beginners. A few good rules of thumb to follow include: incorporate your brand colors, logos, and icons. Use old headlines, short bullets, and clear sections. Lead with client benefits, not just services. Break up text with visuals or icons. Include a simple, compelling CTA. Use real client. Stories or stats if available. Make sure every element supports the goal, helping prospects understand who you are, what you offer, and how they can take the next step. Once your content is in, review the design critically. Check for readability, visuals, and consistent iconography. Once finalized, you can use it for a variety of publicity purposes, including printed flyers, sales emails, landing pages, and more. For more information, check out our official blog post on DIY MSP marketing, designing your own brochures and one-pagers with Canva, linked in the description below.